A national, secular and modern university, a symbol of national integration, founded and nurtured by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan.
Hindu or Musliman bhaiyo.
Posing a question to the Hindus and Muslims, he asked, "Can you be the citizens of any country other than India? Aren't you buried and cremated in this land after death? Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians inhabiting this country are one nation and one people. I consider Hindus and Muslims as the two eyes of India." This is the message given by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, says the Vice Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University. In 1877, he laid the foundation of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in order to attract young men, especially Muslims, to acquire modern education, to join the ranks of their compatriots, and to play a significant role in the overall development of our beloved country.
15,000 से ज़्यादा तलबा और तालिबात यहाँ तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं.
The first 3 graduates of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College were famous fighters of the independence struggle. Poet Maulana Hasrat Mohani, Maulana Muhammad Ali and Raja Mohindra Pratap Singh. Along with their Muslim brethren, Hindus freely contributed towards the college building fund. Among the earliest professors at the college, Jadab Chandra Chakraborty for mathematics and Pandit Shiv Shankar for Sanskrit deserve special mention. Today, the university has on its rolls 15,000 students from different regions and communities. While conforming to the social and national aspirations of modern India, the university also safeguards the best traditions and values of Islam. The Faculty of Islamic Studies is involved with extensive research in the history and culture of West Asia. The Jawaharlal Medical College is an important wing of the university. The Engineering College caters to the growing needs of national development. The Science Faculty has different departments for science subjects. The Lytton Library had only 20,000 books at the time of its inception. Today, this imposing building boasts of over 6 lakh books, some of them priceless. It is now known as the Maulana Azad Library. The Kennedy Complex houses journalism classes, the film club, the music club, and a stage for drama. The Arts College, besides imparting education in various Indian languages, has individual departments for history, political science, philosophy, and the other humanities. Its Urdu faculty deserves special mention, as it has given us some noted scholars and poets such as Rashid Ahmad Siddiqui, Khwaja Gulamus Sayyidain, Ismat Chughtai, Akhtar Ansari, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, Moin Hassan Jazbi, Sardar Jafri, Janisar Akhtar, Akhtarul Iman, Khurshidul Islam, Wahid Akhtar, Khalilur Rahman Azmi and Shahriyar. The Vice Chancellor says, among the luminaries of this great seat of learning, another name is worth mentioning, that of Asrarul Haq Majaz, who gave the university its anthem that is sung with great fervor even today. This is my land, my sweet country, and I, the singer, sing its praises.
ये मेरा चमन, ये मेरा चमन है, मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। जोता के हरम में रोशन है, शमा यहाँ भी जलती है। इस दर्द के गोशे गोशे से धुएं हयात उबलती है। ये दर्द जुनूं दीवानों का, ये बग में वफा परवानों की, ये शहर तरफ रुमानों का, ये फूलने बड़ी अरमानों की। फितरत ने दिखाई है हमको उफ़ताज यहाँ परवाज यहाँ, आए हैं वफा के गीत यहाँ, तेरा है जुनूं का साज यहाँ, गाए हैं वफा के गीत यहाँ, तेरा है जुनूं का साज यहाँ। मेरा चमन है, मेरा चमन, मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ। बज़्म में तेगे गेती है, बज़्म में सागर तोड़े हैं। इस बज़्म में आँख बिछाई है, बज़्म में दिल तक जोड़े हैं। हर शाम है शामे बिछड़े यहाँ, हर शब है शबे छिया यहाँ, है सारे जहाँ का सोच यहाँ, और सारे जहाँ का ताज यहाँ। रात का बोझा लेने को सवाब का आकाश यहाँ, आफत हमने देखी है, बातिल की जगह बेखाश यहाँ। मेरा चमन।
This forceful tarana won distinction at an NCC cultural program as a national song.
मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ।
In addition to academic activities, the university conducts special classes for blind people in typing and shorthand in the Braille system. The university has also taken a special interest in the education of girls. A beginning was made with the Girls' College. The Sarojini Naidu Hall houses the Polytechnic for Girls, where they receive training in the technology of radio, television and electronics. Education is incomplete without civic sense. This aspect is served through the University Students' Union. This union gave us some outstanding personalities like the Sher-e-Kashmir Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah, Mr. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai, and the former President Dr. Zakir Hussain.
I pledge myself to work for its strength and progress and for the welfare of its people without distinction of caste, color or creed. The whole of Bharat is my home and the people are my family.
Playgrounds have their own importance in molding young men and women into better citizens. The university has also given us outstanding sportsmen. Lala Amarnath and Mushtaq Ali in cricket, Gursevak Singh, Govinda and Zafar Iqbal in hockey.
जनवरी 1982 में
The Vice Chancellor is proud that the scientific mission to the Antarctica in January 1982 was led by a scientist from the Aligarh Muslim University, Dr. Syed Zahoor Qasim.
अब्र यहाँ से उठे
Will rain on every flowing rivulet, on every mountain, on every garden and field, all over the world.
हर सर्व समन पर बरसेगा, हर गश्त दमन पर बरसेगा, खुद अपने चमन पर बरसेगा, गैरों के चमन पर बरसेगा, हर शहर तरफ पर गरजेगा, हर कसर तरफ पर कड़केगा।
ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है,
ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है, ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा,
बरसेगा,
बरसेगा, बरसेगा।
Many great scholars from this university have enriched our lives, and many more are being shaped for the future.